Good morning, my dear students. This is Sunny Kumar Gupta from a Student Guideline YouTube channel. And that time, 7th class and 6th class math class is going on. So, let us start our topic. Okay, my dear students. So, let us come on the board and start our first class. So, first, before starting the class, firstly, you pause the video and take a screenshot with what we have read about today's topic. So, that's first topic. You write down. Okay, so let us start our topic. It means today's our topic is addition of fraction. So firstly, before one day, means yesterday we have read about and arrange the fraction in ascending order and descending order. And another things we have discussed about which is greater than and which is smaller than. And so many students also suggest me, sir, which write some questions for me, and I also say firstly you make your exercise. If you don't make your exercise, then whatever you learn you don't know also. Okay, so firstly my dear students, make your exercise any publications, then you also growth in your study. So firstly we have discussed about our topic. Today's topic is addition of fraction. It means addition of fraction. So how to add the addition of fraction? So firstly my dear students, you see, if like fraction and unlike fraction, if like fraction there are, so firstly you add the denominator, add the numerator, and denominator is equal 1. It means firstly you take, if questions are like fraction, it means lower are equal, then you also take 1, and after that numerator you only add and get your answer. So my dear student, firstly we have read what I write on the board. It means when adding two like fraction, when you add the two like fractions, the numerators are added, the denominators are remains as the same. It means denominator and numerator. Is that clear? Like fraction, the numerator are added. It is firstly you add the both numerator. It means upper side you add, and the denominator are remains the same. It means both are same. So how to crack the question, how to make the question? It means your rule says denominators remains the same. Denominator is 6. Is that clear? Denominator is 6. And what says firstly you like fraction, that's a like fraction because denominator are same and numerators are, you also know, if denominators are same, that fraction in like fraction. If denominator is different, that fraction unlike fraction. Is that clear? So firstly you write the denominator as possible as usual, and after that you write 5 plus 7. What? Because your rule says add the numerator when, if your fraction in like fraction. So firstly you, when you add the 5 and 7, how many? So 7 and 5, 12 by 6. When you cut it, after that 6 2s are 12. It means your answer is 12. Sorry, 2. Is that clear? It means if questions come in like fraction, firstly you add the numerator and the denominator as usual. You write. Then after that you cut and get your answer. So that's a like fraction, that if any questions come from in like fraction, so how to add your that's, and that's another rule of what is it, means sum of their numerator and common denominator. Who is common denominator? It means here 6 and 6 also, so that's a common denominator. Just like one another examples here, it means 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Okay, another example, it means common denominator, here denominator is 5. Is that clear? And add sum of all numerator, it is 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2, 3, 5. 5, 4, 9. 9 by 5 is that your answer. When if your fraction in like fraction. After that you common denominator writes in denominator and sum of their all numerators. So let us next point is when two fractions given and that's a unlike fraction. So how to crack, how to solve the question. So I also say before starting the that when like fraction, so if denominator is same, that's a like fraction. If denominator is different, that's a unlike fraction. Is that clear? It means when adding the two unlike fraction, when you add the two unlike fraction, first change them to like. It means firstly you change in like fraction. So how to convert in like fraction? You also know, firstly you take the LCM of all number and which what is your HCF? What is your HCF of that number? After that you change in fraction. Is that clear? Fraction, and then add them the given rule 1. After that you use that rule. Firstly you add like fraction, firstly you convert in like fraction, after that you add them. Is that clear? So that's your question. Firstly you take LCM of 2, LCM of 4 and 6. It means 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. 2 and 3. That's your LCM. Is that clear? That's your 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Is that your answer? Okay. So what is your denominator? That's your denominator is 12. Your denominator is 12. So firstly you take 2 by 4. 2 by 4. It means 2 by 4. Here you write also change in like fraction. Okay, so 2 by 4, it means what is your denominator? 12. So if you read the 4 table, when how many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So you also know which numbers we have multiplied and denominator, that same number multiply with numerator. Is that clear? 2 3s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so if you cut it also, you cut it and left that. Okay, and next question, next point, 9 by 6. 9 6 multiply here. Okay, 12. 2 to the 9 to the 18 and 6 to the 12. 9 to the 18 and 6 to the 12. Okay, so that's your answer. And after that you add them as given rule. First you convert in like fraction. Is that clear? After that you add them. It means just like here, what? 6 by 12 plus 18 by 12. Okay, so how to solve it? It means your first rule says, firstly we have take denominator as common denominator. So 12 is common denominator, and after that 6 plus 18. Okay, 6 plus 18. 6 and 8. 14. 1 and 1 2 is equal to here. It means 12 2s are 24. So that's your answer. It means that type of questions come in your paper, come in your exam, and come in your exercise. That's firstly you convert in like fraction. Then you, as usual, first rule follow. It means like fraction come, then take one common fraction after common denominator and you add the sum of their numerator. Okay, so firstly you write down your copy, and next we have discuss about next topic. Okay, my dear students, so today's our topic, addition of fraction, is complete. So we have read about next class and next topic. Thank you.